This guy just found out that right when he's getting ready to retire, he's got several rotten posts in his structure. Look at him, he looks pathetic. He knows how much it's going to cost to fix those posts. It doesn't have to end like this for you. Watch this video on 5 good ways to prevent post drop. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Paul from CountryCraziness.com. If you're interested in post frame construction, tractors, or homesteading, well then you've come to a good place. Why not subscribe, hit the bell, and join in the conversation. Many post frame structures have been built using either treated posts or treated laminated posts and putting them directly into the ground. While these methods do work, sooner or later microorganisms will take over, they'll win the battle, and they'll rot the post. Fortunately today there are additional things that you can do that will greatly extend the life of your post frame structure. Not only are there 5 good ways to help prevent post rot, but the good news is that there's a method for every budget. I'll list these from the least expensive method to the most expensive method, and along with that you can take this information and do more research to decide what method would be most appropriate for your structure. Post rot occurs from 2 inches above the ground to 16 inches below the ground. That's the area where there's sufficient moisture and oxygen in order for microorganisms to live and feast on your post. Green post solves the problem of post rot by taking a bituminous layer and then surrounding it by a polyethylene layer and heat shrinking it directly to the post. Green post could either be buried directly in the ground with normal backfill, or it can be partially buried with concrete. You'll notice the notches on the post. When used with concrete, it helps protect against updraft. Plastic sleeves like plasti-sleeve completely cover the embedded portion of the post with an enclosed bottom. Designed to fit posts cleanly while still allowing ventilation, the clean fit means builders don't have to alter construction methods or worry about fit and finish of other framing members. Perma-Column is the permanent foundation system that combines the lasting durability of precast concrete with the value of post-frame construction. Perma-Column piers are precast concrete reinforced with 60,000-pound PSI rebar welded to a 1/4 inch bracket. This patented combination of concrete, steel, and wood makes Perma-Column a solution for homes and all types of agricultural buildings. Sturdy wall system allows for post-frame construction on traditional concrete foundations. They're constructed of 100% American-made 1/4 inch steel that's robotically welded and finished with a tough powder coat. Install these engineered brackets with a masonry drill bit and concrete anchors. The anchors are sold by the company. Sturdy Wall Plus Anchor Brackets is a system that allows for post-frame construction on traditional concrete foundations. They're constructed of 100% American-made 1/4 inch steel, robotically welded and finished with a tough powder coat. This provides the ultimate strength connection to your foundation, but requires installation while the concrete is still wet. No matter what method you choose, you can be assured that you'll greatly extend the usable life of your post-frame structure, and that will be a testament to the good job that you did in planning. I crack myself up.